Most traders swear by setting their stop loss at 3x ATR. But let me ask you, how realistic is it to aim for a decent reward when your target keeps getting pushed further away? Spoiler alert, it's not. Stick around and I'll show you a better way. Here's the deal. Widening your stop loss to 3x ATR might sound like you're playing it safe, but in reality, you're just sabotaging your risk-to-reward ratio. At best, you're barely scraping a 1.5x reward. Does that sound like smart trading to you? But the real kicker, if your timing is garbage, no stop loss size is going to save you. The key is timing. Nail your timing and you won't need those wide stops. Let me show you how. Take an uptrend, for example. Then switch to the hourly time frame. Instead of chasing every move, wait for the pullback. Specifically, wait for it to stop making new lows. The simplest way? Look for a double bottom. When you spot it, here's what's next. Expect a mini range to form after the double bottom. To most traders panic here, thinking the market's uncertain. But you see the signal. This is your chance to prepare your entry and calculate your risk. Once the market takes off, you're already in with a tighter stop. And remember, there's no point holding onto a trade if the price starts looking range-bound again. Cut it loose and move on. It's all part of solid risk management. If the market doesn't agree with you, take the loss and move on. Losing trades are just part of the game, so embrace them and learn something from each one. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you. Oh, and if you're curious about spotting institutional money in order blocks, check out my entry method right here. Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp, and remember, timing is everything.